Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about Adidas and the amazing customer service. So I bought these joggers 1.5 years ago in 2020. We are in 2021 right now, and over time they started making these holes. As you can see, they're not holes, they're like the stitchings coming loose somehow. I don't know how it happens, but yeah, can you see it's like weird. Whereas compared to this, that's the actual hole, but that's from the stitching itself as well, if you can see. Got bigger ones. These ones here, you can literally put your hands through it. Can you see that? Look at the holes. They're very weird. I didn't notice at first, and then my sister pointed out. So I thought it was a design thing, and then I realized it's actually ripping somehow. It's just coming loose, the stitching, which is very weird. The only actual holes are here. Can you see here? That's where it's fully come off the top. So I have attempted to stitch this. Well, my mom did, and there's no use because impossible to fix this. So yeah, it's over 1.5 years. I contacted Adidas, and they said themselves they don't expect this to happen. So they gave me two options. I could either get full refund by returning it or exchange it for the same one, all free of charge, guys. So that's really good customer service, because the normal policy is 30 days return, but they said themselves this shouldn't be happening. It's a quality issue, and they've let everyone know. So that's really nice of them. So that's why Adidas is a very good company. So I'm going to be sending these back. Got my return label sorted. I would have got the exchange, but I've not got they've not got the size I need, which is small. So I'll just be returning these for now. And I've already ordered some new ones, some dark grey ones. You're going to see them, or either before this video or after this video, I don't know. So either way, I'll have some new joggers from Adidas either way. So yeah, when the ones in my size do get in stock, I'll buy them again. So because this was a really good one. The only thing is it's only the back. The front is fine, apart from that tiny rip there. But that's the actual rip. Can you see? That's what you call an actual rip. That happens because I keep my 3 phones there. Someone's inviting me to play CS:GO. Okay, so yeah, so there's like a quality issue. I don't know what the hell happened there. Just randomly stretches and the fabric stretched or whatever. I don't know. But yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you Adidas for being gangsters, and goodbye.